Maybe just on there. You're getting some sort of accept thingy.
Oh,
I
is
can't
it
press
Lily?
it because I've got gloves.
Oh. Did you hear that, Spirit? If you're here with us, please show yourself on this camera to all these people. Oh,
Ooh, it went off.
oh,
Did you get that on camera?
I did. Did you hear that, guys? Did you see that? It went red. It means... Oh, piss off, piss off, piss off. Red, it means ghost activity. Oh, fuck's sake.
Who's here with us right now? Can you please say your name and we'll get it on the recorder on the camera? Tell us your name. If you're here, can you go near the green light again? Thank you.
Thank you so much, Spirit. Thank you.
Thank you. Are you the woman
Oh my God,
that resides
Janine.
here? If you go near the green light, it'll tell us.
Can I come closer to you? I'm just scared on my own.
Are you the woman that resides here?
You make it go up red if you are.
Are you someone else? Are you a man? You just go near the green light.
I'm going to check what it's on. It's on 8.7. It is -4. Welcome in, FX. We've had spiritual activity going on. Really freak.
If you're still here with us, can you make it light up red again, please?
Sorry, it's me heavy breathing because I'm freaked out.
If you're still here, can you make a noise? Oh,
Did you hear that, guys?
so you're still here?
This EMF has never gone off, guys. I can't explain it.
Do you live here?
Every time I look away, it does it. It's like it doesn't want me to film it. Oh, God, she's so brave, guys.
Someone here? Please come near this.
Oh, God, she's so brave, guys.
It will turn red.
I wish we brought brighter lights to us.
So we can't have it.
She's leaving me. I'll follow her. I'm following. God, it's freezing. Hey, Rachel.
Don't be afraid.
Mrs. T, you here? Hi, Alan.
Maybe they're afraid to,
Well, it's every time I look away, they seem to go near the EMF.
put it back there again.
Okay.
They might be too scared to come near.
Potentially might be scared of Janine, we think. You throw a little stone. What was that? Was it an animal? That noise?
I don't hear anything.
Oh, is it just me? Yes, I heard that. What was that?
Sounded like a gasper there.
Don't. Do you think we should get out of here, Janine?
No.
Hey, why is she not scared, guys?
Like a gasper there.
She's not even scared. She's really brave. Hey, Queen. Storming it. Thanks for sharing live. Hi, Silent Sniper.
Should we go a bit further in?
I don't know. I'm pretty freaked out. I think we shouldn't. Ask them to say something. Well, we did sort of ask them to do something and we heard a gasp.
Yeah.
Can you speak, Spirit? Can you say a word? You hear footsteps? Okay, Becca. Did you hear that? Janine, are you scared? Nina? God, this is a massive hill. It is. God, how are we going to get up this bit? Can you get up, Ninja? Don't fall. Yeah,